we only spent $164 for something. What the hell? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back, baby. It is day 3 in Miami, and when I tell you it's giving like it's July the 28th. I'm sorry I had to turn the air down because I want to make sure y'all hear me. And we finna do a mukbang off these enchiladas that my best friend likes. So I'm doing the chicken and the beef spicy, and she got salmon and what else? Breakfast. She got the salmon and the breakfast enchiladas. So we finna do a mukbang with y'all. I'm sorry, then I close out. Baby, auntie, I had fun, and I'm still having fun. We finna get on Tiki boat, so y'all gonna see that too. Like, just stay tuned. Look at her. She already eat, y'all. She ain't even showing y'all her food or nothing. Like, it's just a mess. But I'm finna prop it up so we can kind of like, you know, show y'all what we eating or whatever like that. Girl, they giving out tickets. But yeah, so just stay tuned. Well, don't stay tuned. I'm gonna put this phone down so y'all can see what's going on. Let me see. Let me see. Let me sit y'all up right. Y'all might can't see me. Choice. Yeah.
Y'all know what's going on.
Yeah, we outside. Okay, so we got what these called? What is called? Enchiladas by
Empanadas.
Empanadas. Let me see. Yeah, y'all see it. Empanadas, y'all. And it's on. Oh, we got sauce. I don't know what type of sauce that is.
That's my sauce. I added that on there.
Well, we got sauce. Cause I'm gonna try, but yeah, that's the box. It's actually on. It's near our hotel. So I got I think this is my chicken. Look at me trying to show y'all some stuff. Got chicken. So
I got these salmon Philly.
Oh, this shit. Man, my chicken hidden.
This salmon sauce.
Yeah. We got 20 minutes before we can. 25 minutes.
Stamped.
Oh yeah.
It's so cute.
So overall, you enjoy your vacation.
I'm having a ball.
You know.
Listen, Miami don't owe me nothing.
Not even a nap.
I think we're gonna stay up until the flight.
We are. We staying up because my flight boards at 5:30.
I'm around the same time.
So we'll see when we get back home.
Last night we didn't get in until what time?
6 o'clock. Yeah, we had the time. And we
it was so fun. Just riding the streets of Miami.
Just riding.
This is the
went to some bars. No. Thank you.
This is the chimichurri.
I'm sorry, y'all. They man asked me, was I pulling out? And I ain't. The fuck? Hey, man, you pulling out? No, sir. The fuck? Oh! I forgot I was on the record. Yeah. Yeah. It's a fire.
This is fire. I might have to run these back.
Damn. Chill. Yeah, chill.
Chill for what?
I'm
a foodie.
We're gonna run them jerk chicken back.
Oh, you know what? They do got them.
Exactly.
So that's another salmon Philly.
She thought she was gonna crack out them damn enchiladas open. No, you're not.
This is bacon, egg, and cheese because I'm a breakfast girl.
Y'all saw mine.
me see if I can get
We're gonna put some. We're gonna take some on the Tiki boat too, y'all. I feel like I'm getting a little full. Yeah, I ain't had number one. Man, they gonna flag us.
Mm.
They gonna stop the world. World stop. Carry on. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Bacon, egg, and cheese is
What are we
good.
doing now? We ride through Texas, slime through in Miami. In Miami. Okay, what the spice? Let me see.
Oh, I bet that spicy beef so good.
Yeah, I got spicy beef. Oh, maybe I ain't showing y'all right. I don't know. Oh, there you go. This is spicy beef.
Mm.
I hope it
It's
don't make my
cheesy.
stomach hurt.
It's seasoned
Ooh,
so good.
this hot.
You want to switch? You want to get my
Hell
salmon?
no. The fuck? Trying to get you one
The
in.
salmon pie.
Alright, we can switch. You can do one spicy and I do one salmon.
Yeah, the salmon pie.
Woo! Well, that's what mukbang is, y'all. We have to
Mm-hmm.
share it. Yeah, you can keep the spicy. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. I love spicy.
your stomach's gonna be so well. And you drinking alcohol. Sorry, guys. 21 and up. If you ain't 21, what?
Exit the group chat.
Today, my little bookies, them my little nieces and nephews, get out the group chat.
And they actually a good size. You don't feel like you're getting cheated. They were like $4 a piece. You can't beat that in Miami.
I'm in love with the quarter four. Y'all, we getting flagged.
You should get it there.
It's hidden. I ain't gonna lie. It's it's hot.
Then we gotta rinse it down with liquor.
We got some water. We got water. Everybody got some back there. Bitch, I'm crying. It's there how I'm crying.
Oh, I'm excited.
I got some.
You need what? You sound like SpongeBob. Make sure you enter his ass in there.
Can I get you anything?
Cause why is it so hot? Oh my god! And I ain't trying to mess up my swimsuit, y'all. Oh, girl. Oh my god.
Yeah, I see we rocking the orange together.
Oh yeah. So we rocking the orange, bro.
It's a vibe.
Y'all, we got 10. Can't you tell? Can't you tell we got 10, y'all? What y'all been doing today, baby? We been outside. Please leave a comment of what y'all do while y'all watching our video. Oh my god. It tastes like a hot tamale.
Oh.
And that's what it tastes like. Oh shit. It tastes like a hot tamale, y'all. I'm stressing.
You don't like the salmon.
I hate to tell me I get on Tiki, but I feel like I'm getting full.
Yeah, we'll save them too.
Yeah, we'll save it on Tiki boat because we taking y'all on Tiki boat too. Y'all should be excited about that.
Oh, it looks so good. Oh my god.
I'm nervous because I think my stomach gonna start hurting.
Don't do that.
And we outside. We ain't even going back to the hotel till late tonight.
We're gonna try to find a restaurant before we get on this boat. So we can do it.
When? No, we finna go on this boat, man.
No.
Yeah, we gotta get on that boat.
No.
We start at 3 o'clock. We don't even know where it's at. We gotta go walk over there and see. Hell, we just out here like.
Well, what's your rating for the empanadas?
Put down. I'm gonna
I'm
finish up. I am. I'm gonna finish it when I come back. Okay. So for me, the chicken, 8.5. But it got good. It got good seasoning. The beef, spicy beef, cause I like hot tamales, but sometimes I have to have mine mild. I do. What was that? So I ain't got my blicky. But I think it was like that junk is 5. I ain't gonna lie. I give that junk a 9. But if you don't like spicy stuff, why is my eyes wide? That's what I'm saying.
They tear your ass up.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Okay.
But I'm finna we gonna come back. Okay, so what's yours?
Salmon is giving a 9 out of 10.
For real.
It could have a little kick to it.
Yeah.
Because we Southern. We like a little kick.
Yeah.
But it's really good. The bacon, egg, and cheese, it's giving an 8. 7.5 out of 8. 7.5 out of 10. I'm sorry, I've been drinking. But yeah, the salmon Philly.
Okay, so salmon is good, but you said the
salmon is fine. The bacon, egg, and cheese.
Well, I'm excited.
I would have done all salmon. So yeah. And they got a lot of locations from what I saw. Yeah.
So make sure y'all get that. That was our little small mini mukbang. We're gonna bring y'all to the Tiki boat. Or Tiki cruising Tiki or whatever. We head in there. It started at 3 o'clock. So we finna do that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring y'all on the boat with us. And I'm gonna come back. Stay tuned to the next clip. Okay. Give me a second. Bye.
It's me. Okay.
I know. Because we wanted to do like the tour with the celebrity houses. I was like, dang, but it was closed off.
Oh, yeah. They do it. But that's the first way you see it on the watch. The only way you can't get off the island.
Okay. I can make them now. That's why I told.
I'll tell you a few people that I know. Put that shit up, quick. Yeah, I haven't go there. We're not sure island still up things that that's the most expensive.
Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane. Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Just in this room, yeah. We be so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie. I'm trying, but they offer. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're mine, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
Yeah, it's working. Uh-huh.
on the way. People don't really try to get all the yachts.
Oh wow.
All the yachts over there, that's all by $200.
Over there. Oh wow. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's a big ass job.
That area, the richest, one of the richest people in Miami.
Alright, y'all, we back. On the boat. Hold on, let me we still on the boat, y'all. We ain't playing. We riding.
Phone hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Chevy ou et Montbec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met.
Alright, y'all, so we out here.
Unloaded. Yeah, but we got unloaded right now.
Wow. Oh.
Get that kid. And that's today. I mean, you don't just honest business today. You don't do that. You don't fish. You don't fish. I put it up now. Those owners got started on
We outside, y'all. So we still on our boat. About to get off. It has been amazing. I'm sorry if my camera moving all over the place, but I see it outside. The fans blowing. A good tan. We outside. We outside. We just pour our drinks to move. If you know, you know. We use it with our green tea.
over here. That's another place.
So they all got one way in and one way out. That's what we learned about our tour. So the ones who get the yacht, they're going to sit for 3 hours doing the same route. Back and back and back and back. I'm glad we did choose the Tiki though, because it's working. And we got a good tour. I love it.
Sound like Miami.
Daniel, he was amazing. Still amazing. Gonna always be amazing. Miami is a vibe. I'm coming.
Give you a photo of you guys that happen. So what you got a guy outside.
Yeah.
They brought another guy to bring a train track.
We outside. Yeah, it's fun. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I really enjoy myself. The time is coming to an end because I don't want to talk about it. We gotta be at the hotel. Ooh, at least about 3:30.
Yeah,
I got a hotel.
What we do is go out, go to the place, look it up on the phone, look up Junction. We'll put everybody's transported marijuana.
It's definitely giving. Look at those. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, y'all, we back in the car. I tell you, that was the longest walk in life. The longest walk in life. First of all, we was not supposed to have got how we got on that boat. That boat really took us there. Even with what we had on the boat, it's like we accomplished something. Ooh, baby, I'm don't do what I'm doing if you're in my age. But yeah, y'all, we outside. We heading to the next location. When I tell you,
We had a ball on that little tiki boat.
do you hear me? First of all, y'all gonna see in the video. I've been recording on the video. The yachts going the same place we going. They're paying thousands of dollars, $3,000, $2,000, $1,800. We only spent $164 for something. What the hell? We only spent $164 on that boat, y'all. And we went everywhere that y'all folks went.
And they
lame as hell, first of all.
They looked like they were baking in that sun. They ain't have no shade. We had a little shade.
Nobody jumping, nobody twerking. Only a couple of people.
Until they saw us.
When they saw us in them big bottles, they trying to figure out what we drinking. Oh. They trying to figure out what we drinking. When I tell you we emptied a clip on that bottle, like we had a lot left. But look, y'all, I got a low battery, so we gotta save some for later. And if my battery go down, I'm gonna record 2 on my phone, so y'all can get a little clip of everything. Baby, this is day 3 of Miami. The best motherfucking night. We finna go to Rise and Toast, okay? So if you see us, holla at us. Baby, my whole skirt came down trying to walk to this car. That is a mess.
Baby, we looked
Booty
good
cheeks
while we was
out.
doing it.
Booty cheeks out, baby. Let me get on. Look, I'll be back. See y'all in a minute.
The last time we talked, I think it was on the Tiki boat. We ended up going to get food. I'm going to put all the clips in there, like us going to go get food and everything. We finna go to this place called 11. So we getting our bags together. We got to pack, make sure everything good. So when we come back, all we got to do is come to the hotel, get our bags, and leave out. Like we, check in. We're going to be check out real soon. We just trying to get everything together now. So when it's time, we can be comfortable. So that's what we doing now. We just basically packing our bags. I gotta catch y'all love, but right then, I'm too excited. I'm sorry. Bear with me. Don't be mean, okay? Cause I have been around with Bestie. We had been around, so I get up with y'all. Hopefully I put in some clips of going out tonight. And if I don't charge it to me, man. Shoot, we ain't got time for that. Don't charge it to me. Because we got stuff to do, okay? Okay, this is a charger. Okay, well, I'll be right back, y'all. It is taking me a while. If I don't close out, I love y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You already know what's going on. This is my first time vlogging. As far as like a trip. So, y'all already know how this coming. Look at my shades. Ooh, y'all. We done been all over. But, yeah. First time vlogging on YouTube. I actually had a good time doing it. Have great, great support that helped me through this journey. And my battery is low, so I'm gonna be charging my battery up because I want to do airport things with y'all. So my battery is low. I will see y'all in a minute. Just stay tuned, all right?